I'm going to start with making the background first. So I'm going to grab the rectangle tool and then create the size of the background I want. Then I'm going to go to Object and create Gradient Mesh. Then you can pick how many rows and columns that you want to have. I'm going to pick 4 and 4. Then when you click on the little points, you can pick what colors that you want to put in there. Before this, I actually just created a quick little color palette and then I popped them into the swatches just to make it easier for me when I was making this. And then when you click on one of those points, these little arms will appear, and then you can use those to manipulate the gradients and just have a bit more control over them. You can also click on the points and move the colors that way as well. So I finished the background and now I'm going to go in and use the pencil tool to draw some shapes. Then after I finish making the shape, I'm going to go to Object and create Gradient Mesh just like we did for the background. And I'm going to pick 4 and 4 again for the columns and rows. Then I'm going to go in and pop in my colors. With my color palette, I'm using the dark blue as like my shadows, and then the lighter colors, the yellow and the white, as my more kind of highlights. So now I'm going to go in and create some more shapes and then add the gradients as well. I don't know why, but when I'm looking at gradients, they just make me so happy. I love gradients, and the other thing I love is adding noise and grain to things. Oof, I don't think I'm going to do it for this one, but normally I definitely would add some grain because I love it. So I'm going to speed this up